Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a group email in your Gmail so you can email just by typing the group's name. So this is my Gmail. So first of all, you want to go to your contacts. So click on contacts. Now you can move around contacts. So if it's all the way here, you can just hold it down with a mouse and just move it up. So this is my contacts. I have a few email contacts here. Now I want to create a group from these three contacts that I have. So first of all, on the left side, you want to click on Create Label. Now you want to type a name for that group. So I'm going to type Tech Team, and you can type whatever name you want to name that group. You want to click on Save. So it's here. Now you want to add whatever contacts you have. You want to add them into that group email that you created. In my example, I created Tech Team, so I'm going to add these three contacts into that group. So hover your mouse over the contacts and select the checkbox, and on the top click on Manage Labels. Click on the group that you created. It creates a check mark, and click Apply. Now if you click the group, the three contacts are listed there. Now to send a mail using the group name, you want to go to Mail. You want to compose that email and just type the name of the group that was created. So in my case, the group name is Tech Team, and it pops up here. So click on it, and those contacts that are in the group will show up here. So I'll just type a subject, and just click Send. So that's how you create a group email, and that's how you send it. Now if you want to remove a contact from the group email, you want to go to your contacts. Now this is the group. So I just want to remove Henry. So on the right side, just click on that three dots and select Remove from Label. So now Henry is removed from the group. So I hope this video was helpful, and I thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe, hit that like button.